For decades, desertification has been a major threat, turning fertile land into barren wastelands. But what if there was a massive project underway to fight back, to literally turn the tide of the sands? That's exactly what's happening in China with the Great Green Wall, or the 3 North Shelter Forest Program. This ambitious initiative, started in 1978, is now reaching a new milestone. This massive undertaking aims to create a 4,500-kilometer-long and wide forest barrier, stretching from west to east across northern China. Think of it as an enormous green shield against encroaching deserts. The program is more than just planting trees. It involves establishing diverse ecosystems, incorporating shrubs and grasses suitable for arid regions. The goal? To not just stop the sand from advancing, but also to improve local economies and environments. And it's working! The article highlights that more than 36 million hectares of new forests have been created. That's an area larger than Germany. It's a testament to the power of long-term commitment and human intervention. While challenges remain, and there's much more work to be done, the Great Green Wall offers a vital lesson in fighting desertification and climate change. It's a story of hope, resilience, and the incredible potential of nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more about amazing stories around the world. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.